It always starts the same way. Late at night, scrolling through your phone. Another creator claims they turned $10,000 into a fortune. If getting rich were that simple, why aren't teachers millionaires? Why aren't firefighters becoming wealthy overnight? Why do some of the hardest working people still struggle financially? Because real wealth usually grows quietly. Nobody films themselves investing every single month. Consistency isn't exciting, but it changes everything. Every investor eventually faces a choice: chase quick profits or build lasting wealth. One path is full of hype, excitement, and endless distractions. The other path begins with one simple investment account. One fund, one decision, and one long-term plan. Then every month, the system keeps investing automatically. Instead of watching the market every day, he simply lives his life. One investor watches every headline. The other ignores the noise. Markets rise, markets fall, but history rewards patience. Little by little, small investments begin creating something much bigger. Real wealth isn't built in a weekend. It's built through years of simple, consistent decisions. The biggest advantage isn't having more money. It's having a clear plan. Automation removes emotion from investing. While you're busy earning a paycheck, your investments keep working. That's the power of compounding. Small gains grow into something massive. At first, progress feels slow. Then everything starts accelerating. The patient investor understands that slow growth is still growth. Headlines are designed to grab attention, not build wealth. When prices fall, disciplined investors often see opportunity instead of fear. The people who stay invested during difficult times often benefit the most later. Wealth isn't built by predicting the future. It's built by staying consistent through it. The market rewards discipline, not constant attention.
While some investors panic, others quietly build their future.
Month after month, consistency quietly beats perfection. Every great fortune begins with one small seed. Short-term volatility becomes almost invisible over decades. Real wealth is built one step at a time, never in one giant leap. The best investments keep working, even while you're making memories. Success doesn't arrive all at once. It appears milestone by milestone. The people who build lasting wealth aren't the fastest. They're the ones who never stop moving forward. The strongest investors stay calm when everyone else is afraid.
Every market recovery rewards those who refuse to give up.
News changes every day. Great investing habits last a lifetime.
Small monthly investments quietly become something extraordinary. Time is the one advantage money can never replace.
Every consistent investment becomes another step toward financial freedom.
Real wealth doesn't just change your life. It can change future generations.
Strong financial roots create lasting wealth. Success belongs to those who stay committed when progress feels invisible. The journey to wealth isn't about finding shortcuts. It's about never stopping.
Years from now, you'll realize the hardest part was simply getting started.
Every automatic investment is another brick in your financial future.
The best investments work quietly while you enjoy life. Fast money often disappears. Steady progress keeps moving forward.
Time is the greatest investment partner you'll ever have.
Markets may fall, but disciplined investors keep moving. Real wealth isn't just money. It's freedom, choices, and peace of mind. One decision repeated consistently can completely change your future. Sometimes the smartest financial move is simply doing nothing. Start today. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more videos that make money simple.